Collagen has been in the spotlight for quite some time now, and for good reason. This plentiful protein isn't just a beauty supplement, it actually plays an important role in protecting our bodies from external stressors. In fact, collagen makes up 1/3 of our body's protein and connective tissue present in our skin, hair, nails, bones, joints, muscles, and more. Collagen helps keep our skin healthy and youthful, and who doesn't want that? But it's also important for supporting and maintaining bone function and integrity as we age. There are 16 different types of collagen that provide a variety of benefits for your body. Whether it's helping in the development and maintenance of bones and teeth, forming connective tissue, aiding in wound healing, or helping keep your skin youthful, collagen is working overtime to support your health. After we reach the age of 20, our body's collagen production starts to decline. This is a natural process, so don't stress, but you hold the power to slow the decline in order to keep your collagen levels up. While collagen is found in many animal byproducts, such as skin, cartilage, tendons, and bones, consuming these types of foods don't typically suit everyone's palate. In addition, these types of food sources aren't easy to break down, and therefore are more difficult for our bodies to absorb the valuable nutrients, such as collagen, that they contain. This is why getting collagen from a reliably sourced supplement is the simplest, most accessible way to level up your health.